Have you ever wanted to turn a song into a complete music video but didn't have the time, skills, or budget to create one from scratch? Creating visuals, matching scenes to lyrics, editing transitions, and bringing everything together can take hours or even days. But what if AI could handle the entire process for you in just a few clicks? Today, I'm checking out Autopilot 2.5 by Neural Frames, an AI-powered tool that can automatically transform a song into a complete music video. It can analyze your song, generate visuals, build a storyboard, create animations, and even let you edit everything using simple text prompts. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and some of its most powerful features. If you'd like to try it for yourself, check out the link in the description below. So, after clicking the link, you'll land on this page. From here, you can create AI music videos, generate visuals for your songs, customize scenes, edit clips using text prompts, and much more. First, I'll upload a song. Now, the AI will start analyzing the song and processing the lyrics and overall structure. This helps it understand the mood, themes, and flow of the music before generating the video. Next, I'll select song. You can also choose different themes and video styles, but for this demo, I'm going to leave everything on the default settings. Now I'll click Generate. As you can see, the AI has automatically created a complete storyboard for my song. It has generated visuals for different sections of the track and matched them with scenes that fit the mood and atmosphere of the music. If you want, you can also edit individual visuals, regenerate scenes, or make adjustments before creating the final video. Once I'm happy with the visuals, I'll click Generate Video, and now the AI instantly starts working on the video. It takes all of the storyboard scenes, animations, and visual elements and combines them into a complete music video. Within a few moments, my full video is ready. Let me play it.
I want my doubt like rain on a train to nowhere. Pocket full of sparks and a cracked up prayer. But I kept my eyes up, kept my hands on the wheel. If the road keeps breaking, I will bend, I will heal. Run the mile, I'm still standing. Run the mile, heart still pounding. Run the mile, till I touch that sky. I was made to try, I was made to try.
As you can see, the AI has transformed a simple song into a complete animated music video with matching visuals, cinematic scenes, and smooth progression throughout the track. Now, let me show you one more amazing feature, which is text editing. I'll simply select a scene and enter this prompt. Zoom in on the singer's face, keep the cinematic lighting and overall style the same. Then, I'll click Generate. Within a few moments, my changes are ready. As you can see, the AI has updated the scene while preserving the original look and atmosphere. The framing is now much closer to the singer, creating a more cinematic and focused shot without changing the overall style of the video. Now, I'll select another scene and ask the AI to turn the singer into a glowing crystal statue, and within a few moments it's done. As you can see, the character has been completely transformed into a glowing crystal figure while maintaining the artistic style of the original scene. This makes it incredibly easy to experiment with creative ideas without rebuilding everything from scratch. Let's make one more change. This time, I'll select another scene and enter. Add floating golden particles around the singer and increase the cinematic atmosphere. Then I'll click Generate. And once again, Within a few moments, the updated version is ready. As you can see, the scene now feels much more dynamic and immersive. The added particles create extra depth and visual interest while keeping everything consistent with the rest of the music video. What's really impressive is how easy the entire process is. Instead of manually editing complicated prompts or rebuilding scenes, you can simply describe what you want in plain English and the AI handles the changes for you. Once everything looks good, I'll simply export the final project. The export process is quick and straightforward, and after rendering finishes, my completed music video is ready to download and share across platforms. Overall, Autopilot 2.5 makes it incredibly easy to turn songs into professional-looking music videos. From automatic storyboard generation and AI-powered visuals to text-based scene editing and fast rendering, the entire workflow is designed to save time while giving creators more creative control. If you're a musician, content creator, or simply someone who wants to create music videos without spending countless hours editing, this tool is definitely worth checking out. You can try Autopilot 2.5 for yourself using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.